everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Saisha and I'm so excited to have you here with me today. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our creative adventures. Today, we're going to have a blast drawing and coloring some fun stuff for the little artists out there. So, grab your paper and colors, let's get started with our first drawing, an adorable aeroplane. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just have fun with it. I'll guide you through the steps. Great job, everyone! Now, let's add a touch of nature with a few friendly crows. Give them little beaks and wings. Now, let's add some fluffy clouds around our aeroplane. Draw some big, puffy shapes and let your imagination soar like our plane in the sky. They can be flying around or sitting on the clouds, totally up to you. Grab your favorite colors and let's bring our drawing to life. I'm going to use some fun colors for the aeroplane and crows and bright blues for the sky. Feel free to get creative and use any colors you like. Hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process and let your imagination run wild. If you tried this drawing, I'd love to see your creations. Feel free to share them with me on social media. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow young artists. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative adventures. Until next time, keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep being awesome.
Bye bye.